All right. Thank you so much for your time, Danvin and Sushma, for actually removing time to give us feedback on our premium offering Ignite the Topper in Your Child. Because this is a diverse program and every child, has their own journey. So, Danvin, I really want to hear it from you. What experience you have seen before you started and now, before and after?
I was shy before I came to Sandhya Bajaj's class, but now I would talk to people without hesitation, and I would take time to learn tables. But when I joined Sandhya Bajaj's class, I am knowing the tables from 1 to 100.
All right.
Uh, before joining the Sandhya Bajaj class, I was not remembering the long answers. But when I joined Sandhya Bajaj class, I I was remembering the long answers with the help of the peg words.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I've seen, I'm like, you do like 50 numbers, you remember a word list of 50 words. And I also have to say this, Danvin, you actually have taken some classes of children and you've also taught them some tricks. Am I right on that?
Yes, ma'am.
I think the very fact that you said yes for a testimonial, I'm like, okay, I've done my job well. So I think a big thank you to you for you actually coming down and speaking, because I knew if this would be the earlier than when you would be like, no way. All right, Sushma, let's hear it from you, proud parent. If you could share your journey with us and, of course, with the program.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for actually boosting Danvin's confidence to this level. We are with you from past 5 to 6 years from
Yes.
COVID times with
Very old student.
Vedic maths basics, and then the 12 into 99 tables. But then when I was looking further to the boost Danvin's confidence, as he was very much hesitant to speak to his teachers or make new friends. He was very much hesitating to do at first. Then when I came across your Ignite the Topper program, and when I had a roadmap of what all you are included, and you took the time actually to question him on what all drawbacks he has, like in where all he lacks. Mainly, he was faring well with academics and all, but mainly his confidence level and the discipline in doing his day-to-day works, he was a bit hesitant in that. So
Yes.
when after having go through call with you, I was very much confident that I can live in with you, and then not to worry for the next 6 to 7 months. What you did was a very incredible journey which we had with you. And
And now he prepares his schedule and everything. It's all set for the next day and he makes sure he follows it and everything.
yes, that he does now. He doesn't do hesitate
It's
to.
no haywire. It's not haphazard anymore.
Yes, yes. We are
Absolutely.
very much happy, and I just want to tell the other mothers that please go through with Sandhya ma'am with the program and just have a roadmap of what all she does, and particularly in what you want the holistic development in your child. I can blindly trust her with whatever she does.
So much.
And thank you so much, Sandhya ma'am.
Any unique offering about our program or anything that you would like to share? How different we are from other classes or other academies, other courses available in the market? Any unique offering that we do that you would like to share?
It's not a set time. Some offer particular classes, and the finish off we have done with the program, and we have done whatever we have told, we have finished with it. But you don't do that. That's what I felt different with in your classes. Even if the allotted time is over for your classes, you just see whether the child has improved or not. If it's not, you just take extra classes and you take that time so that they are not left behind, and you offer the complete what you feel. Until you feel you're satisfied the child has overcome his drawbacks and doing his work well, you just don't let go. That is what I like more about the Sandhya Bajaj Academy program.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was a lovely feedback. And once again, thank you for your time. And Danvin, I am super impressed with your confidence now.
Thank you, Sandhya ma'am.
Thank you.